Okay, so this is the very fun part and the very important part of this video series of our Review Kits funnel setup. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show how you can integrate the review functionality and the review platform into your review collection page. Okay, so let me open the review collection page first. Okay, just click on editor. It will open the page editor of your a review collection page. And once the page open, just click here the custom HTML and JavaScript and open the editor, and normally you will see this is a blank option. Okay, so right under this video inside your review kits members area, you will see the code snippet. Okay, so all you just need to copy the code snippet from there and then paste it here. Okay, so now we need to do few more things like the iframe. Okay, the form iframe we copied one of the video in this series. You may remember that. Okay, but if you don't have it, again I'm going to show you how you can get this code. Okay, so let me save it first. And once saved, just go back from your page and then go to the form section, and then from here click this form. Okay, let me click this form. Just open the form and then click here the integration. Okay, at the very top right corner you will see the option called integration, and from here copy the embed code. Okay, that's it, and then go back and go to the funnels again and open the funnel. Open your review collection page once again. Okay, once the page loaded, you just open the custom HTML and JavaScript option, and then from here the iframe to this. Okay, just delete everything and put your copied link. Okay, so let me do it again. I think I did. Okay, so here now I just added my new form. Okay, form iframe. Okay, so that's it. And then what you need to do under this, you will see the review site links. Okay, so there are all the links and everything. So in this example you will get all the links, but you need to replace your links. Okay, so we already copied our review links. Okay, for Google My Business. Here's the Google My Business. I just copied, so let me go back, and then for the Google My Business I just need to replace that link. Okay, and then for Facebook, let me go back to the editor, open the Facebook link. Okay, this is the review link. Go back to your editor and then replace this link here. Okay, just replace this Facebook link. Okay, so now few more options. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of other integration to like Airbnb, Trustpilot, and the Yelp. Okay, and it's lots more. Okay, so you can add the platform you want to use for this review kit snapshot. Okay, to get review to many different platform. But if you don't need any of them, all you just need to delete it from here. Okay, let's say I don't need all those. Okay, so I just need to delete it. And one more thing, you need to make sure that at the very last link you don't need to have this comma. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and one more thing, for Trustpilot, Airbnb, you can get the review link from that particular website. Okay, so you will get your own link from there, and all you just need to replace it. Okay, so let me delete the Airbnb from here. Okay, and also I'll keep the Trustpilot. Okay, so let me get the Trustpilot link from here. Okay, okay, so once you log into your Trustpilot account, okay, go to the my reviews. Okay, from here, and then click the review page you already created. Okay, so in this example I have a GHL SaasKits review page link. Okay, so we will send people to this link, okay, so that they can provide the review, like they can put the 5-star review, okay, like this. Okay, and then they can write their comment like this. Okay, so we will just put the link of this page. Okay, so just copy this page and then go back to your funnel and then replace the Trustpilot link. Okay, and then now I'm going to remove all other links from here. So in this example I'm going to use the Facebook, Google My Business and Trustpilot link. Okay, and one more thing, as I said before, you just need to make sure that for the last link you don't need to have the comma. Okay, so now this setup is done. Okay, so we already replaced our negative feedback form embed code, as well as we also added our review link. Okay, where people when someone click the button to give us the review, they will redirect to this link directly. Okay, so now just save it, and then you will also get another code snippet, okay, into the JS folder of your GHL code snippet. Okay, in right under this video, just copy that and then open this option, okay, tracking code, and put that into the header. Okay, I'm just not going to show this, but it's totally very easy option. Okay, all you just go to the JS tab from the code snippet and then you will get some code and just paste it here. Okay, so I already did that. Now let me save the page. If everything goes well, then we should have a working review collection page. Okay, so let me preview this. Okay, so it's loading now. Okay, so now you can see here we have the star signs where we can put the review. Okay, let me test it. Let's say I want to put a 1-star review. Okay, so as soon as I click 1-star, it opened the form that we already set as our negative feedback form. Okay, like this, up to 3-star it will keep open this form. But if we want to give the 4-star or 5-star reviews, then you can see here we have the button we added, the link we added for our custom review page link. Okay, so let me click on the Google My Business page. Okay, it should open the pop-up to put the link. Okay, put the review again. If we click on Trustpilot, it will take me to the review link where I can put the review on Trustpilot, and the same thing for Facebook. Okay, so this is how you actually integrate your ReviewKits funnel with all the platform, and you can make full functional review getting system. Okay, so into the next videos I will show you how you can set up the negative feedback campaign. Okay, like the when someone put a negative review, then they will get an email into their email address, and also some other campaign to get the reviews. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.